Today we're going to be going through a few steps that's going to help you get your Greenworks pressure washer ready for use. First, connect your water source and secure it tightly. Next, connect your high pressure hose to the end of your wand and secure it tightly. Connect the other end of your hose to the pressure washer and again secure it tightly. This ensures that there's no leak. Choose the appropriate tip depending on the job to be done. Next, connect the tip to the end of your hose and secure in place using the clamp. Afterwards, run your pressure washer for 30 seconds to remove all excess air. Next, connect your power and you're now ready to turn on your pressure washer.